Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bronze inspired makeup look for you. So it's the look that I'm wearing right now, and it's a look that is flattering on all skin tones, and it's really about bronzing the complexion and making it warm and beautiful and glowing. So let's get started with the look. So first of all, I'm going to be priming my eyelids using my NYX primer, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. So to even out the skin tone on my eyelid, I'm going to be using this palette here by Smashbox, and this is their matte palette in the Covershot range. So it's all matte colors, and I'm going to be using the beige in the palette. So it's this one right here, and it is called Work It. And I'm just going to use that all over the lid just to even out the skin tone. So next I'm going to be using a darker shade in the palette just to enhance the crease area. So I'm going to be using this shade right next to the nude color, and it is called Editor. So next I'm going to be using a bronze stick. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronze stick in the shade Rum. So it is kind of like a bronze tone, as you can see there. I'm going to use that on my eyes. I'm just going to use my fingers, and I'm just going to pat that onto my lid. So the next shade I'll be using in the Smashbox palette is called Angles, and it's this brown right here, and I'm just going to use that to deepen my crease even more. Next I'm going to be using an eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'll be using is one from NARS. So it's the Larger Than Life Long Wear Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm just going to use that on the outer edge of my top lash line. So now going back in with the brown shade that I used on the bottom lash line, I'm just going to smoke out the top lash line there. So next I'm going to be using an inner corner highlight, and I'll be using this highlighter here from Fenty Beauty called Hustla Baby. So next I'm going to be curling my eyelashes, and I'm going to be using a mascara from Tarte. So this one right here, it's called Tarteist Mascara. So for the base, I'm going to be priming with Urban Decay primer, and this is the Optical Illusion primer, and it's a smoothing primer. I'm just going to use that on the center of my face. So for foundation, I'm going to be using a foundation from MAC, so it's the Match Master Foundation. I'm also going to be using a strobing liquid from Maybelline, and this color is Nude Glow 200. I'm just going to mix the two together on my hand, and then I'm going to dot it all over my face. So there I have it on the back of my hand, and now I'm just going to mix it together. next, moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using a L'Oreal concealer. This is their Infallible 24-Hour Pomade, and the shade that I have is light medium. And this one is quite opaque as well. I'll show you, as you can see there, it is quite pigmented, so you don't need to use too much. I'm just going to use that on the center of my face and on the areas that it needs a bit more coverage. So now moving on to contour, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick. And I'm going to be using the contouring side of it, which is this side, and I'm just going to contour my face. So next I'm going to be using the bronzing stick from Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to be using the one that I used on my eyes, the Rum. And this is the color again, and I'm just going to use that in the areas that you would use a bronzer. So for highlight, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Insta stick again, and I'm going to be using the highlighting side of it. So the golden highlight, and I'm just going to apply that on the high points of my face. For brows, I'm going to be using a brow pencil from Maybelline, and it's their Satin brow pencils, and the color I have is black brown. Next, I'm going to be using a brow soap from Boho Brows. So it's the Boho Brows soap, and this is a clear soap. So it's like just a clear soap, and I'm just going to use that to set my brows. So next, moving on to lips, I'm going to be using two products. I'm going to be using the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and I'm going to be using a lip liner from NYX. So first I'm going to start with the lip liner and just line my lips and fill it in. So now I'm going to use the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and the color I have is Fenty Glow. So there you go, this is the finished bronzed glow look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I will be uploading videos every Friday, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.